Well, it's a mega surge in India's COVID case count. The Prime Minister is chairing a meeting today to review the situation at 4:30 p.m. Health Minister among top leaders are going to be attending the meeting. India has reported 1,59,000 cases in the last 24 hours, up by 12.4% since yesterday. Positivity rate has crossed the 10% mark in India. The top 5 states with the maximum number of cases are Maharashtra, Delhi, Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. In fact, nearly 63% of India's total cases coming from these 5 states. India's Omicron cases have also surged. The total tally is now at 3,623. Over 600 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours. Maharashtra continues to be the state with the maximum number of Omicron cases. The state's Omicron tally now has crossed the 1,000 mark. COVID cases have exploded in Delhi city in spite of stringent curbs. Delhi has recorded over 20,000 cases, pushing the positivity rate to almost 20%, bed occupancy to 11%. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who's just recovered from the virus, has ruled out the possibility of a lockdown, saying that everybody must mask up. He's also said that deaths have been in the single digit, urging people not to panic but not to take things for granted as well. Weekend curfew is going to be from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. That's a restriction in Delhi. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority is also going to be meeting tomorrow to discuss future restrictions.
कई लोग मेरे से प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं, लॉकडाउन लगेगा? हम लॉकडाउन नहीं लगाना चाहते। लॉकडाउन नहीं लगेगा अगर आप मास्क पहनोगे तो। मास्क पहन के घर से बाहर निकलो, मास्क पहन के चारों तरफ घूमो। अगर ज़रूरत ना पड़े तो घर से बाहर ना ही निकलो, अभी थोड़े दिन कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है, लेकिन मास्क पहनना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है। हम लॉकडाउन नहीं लगाना चाहते, फ़िलहाल लॉकडाउन लगाने की कोई हमारी मंशा नहीं है और हम चाहते हैं कि जल्दी से जल्दी ये वेव ख़त्म हो और कोशिश हमारी है कि कम से कम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हम लोग लगाएं ताकि लोगों के रोजी रोटी चलती रहे, लोगों के रोजगार चलते रहें।
Yesterday, the country registered its maximum spike in COVID cases since the last 7 months. It crossed the 1,41,000 mark in the national capital. The positivity rate is about to touch the 20% mark. At the behest of that, we see that there's a crucial meeting by the Delhi Disaster Management Authority that's scheduled tomorrow, where further restrictions will be thought about and the details will then after be shared in that meeting that will be held tomorrow. Remember that there are stringent measures already put in place across the country, from night curfews to weekend curfews. There are measures already in place. Even then, the spike continues to rise. That's probably because the transmissibility of the Omicron variant is extremely high. With video journalist Shagun from Delhi, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.